Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research time for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Orientica. House of Orientica is a branch or a subsidiary of House of Al Haramain. House of Al Haramain is one of the biggest and the oldest perfume houses from United Arab Emirates. They've been around for more than 50 years and they have a super extensive perfume lineup in their portfolio. I unboxed and reviewed many of their fragrances before, and they are super impressive for the price. So House of Orientica is a branch of Al Haramain, and they have two tiers of perfumes. One is very affordable and one is quite luxury. So this is from their luxury line. It just came out a few weeks ago. It's so new that you still can't buy it anywhere apart from their own website in United Arab Emirates, and they are retailing it for £150. This one is from their Royal Collection. I unboxed and reviewed Royal Collection Noble, which was fantastic fragrance, especially for the price. That was just super high niche quality perfume. So this one is Orientica Royal Collection, and this one is called Victory. It's a 80ml. I think it's 80ml. Yeah, the last one was 80ml. And look at this luxury, very thick cardboard box. Attention to detail as always, absolutely amazing. They give you everything plus the kitchen sink. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, you motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. Let's see how this one will stack up. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. When you do unboxing, you can't do anything about the noise, sorry about that. All right, so beautiful turquoise color. It's got a texture to it. It's beautiful texture. It's like a wallpaper texture. It's quite a little bit of velvety aspect to it, not too much, but very nice. Nice on the hand, nice in the eye. When you hold it, it just feels luxury. These things are super well made. Then you open. Oh, it's got this ticket. Okay, that's it. All right, so it comes out like this. So it sits in this gallery. It's got a velvet effect on it. Again, attention to detail is always beautiful with House of Orientica, especially their luxury line. Look at this bottle. It's just work of art. Absolutely gorgeous, beautiful, super heavy. It's about 2 kilos a bottle. This thing is metal on top of the bottle. It's just wow. It looks like they made it for royalty or for very affluent people. Just gorgeous, beautiful. So it's got the juice itself. The color of juice again is a turquoise color. I'm not sure if it's the color of the bottle or color of the juice, but it's turquoise and this silver effect with this beautiful flowers. Gorgeous. It's got this gemstone effect on top, which is blue color, again turquoise color. And oops, came out wrongly. Come on, Orientica, don't let me down. So this bit of it came out. Okay, so very heavy cap is a combination of metal and plastic, and this gemstone like on top. Very nice, very beautiful. and the atomizer is modern and silver. And here we go. Good atomizer, although it's not pressurized, but very, very good atomizer. Okay, so, woo, goodness me. So first impression for this amazing looking bottle and box and everything from House of Orientica. Here we go. First impression. Wow. For first thing it hits me is the sweetness of it. It's very sweet. It's got fruity aspect to it as well. So it's sweet, it's fruity, it's a bit tarty. It is a little bit citrusy at the moment, and it's got a very big, deep body of woods. So it's very woody in the base, and the woods are quite clean. So I'm not smelling anything similar to, let's say, oud, which could be a little bit on the funky side of things, but here is very clean. So I'm expecting it to be similar to cedar sandalwood combination to making it that beautiful base. It's very, very woody, but it's very, very clean in the same time as the woods are. It's got a body of amber to it, and the amber in here is quite deep and dense, but in the same time it's very fluffy, it's very effervescent, it's very transparent, it's very airy, which is a very hard job to do. Usually with amber, there are two kind of ambers. There are some medium ambers as well, but majority of the ambers out there either too very deep and dense and thick and gooey and sticky, or very, very transparent, effervescent, airy, and things like that. But here we have amalgamation of both amber, which is telltale sign of good perfumery and good ingredients in here. Wow, what a beauty. It's very spicy. So the spices are here. Wow, I'm smelling cinnamon definitely, but I'm smelling something that is a deep spicy. Maybe it's a cardamom in here. Yeah, it smells like cardamom. Yeah, it smells like cardamom. So it is cardamom, but the cardamom in here is very nice. It's very smooth, it's very rounded. Overall, it opened up beautifully, like a beautiful perfume. No harshness, no sharpness, no chemical, no synthetic elements in here. Beautifully opened up, and the reason is because the ingredients are here is quite a high-end ingredients, and they put everything they have in the House of Orientica to create this beautiful perfume, and it shows that beautiful, rounded, smooth, very, very huge body to it, and this deep and dense and thick, and in the same time very, very complex and layered and nuances all over the place. Oh my goodness, this is an absolute gorgeousness. So let me read you the ingredients and we'll take it from there. So the ingredients: on top we have saffron, blackcurrant and cardamom. In the mid we have rose and cedarwood, and in the base we have patchouli, amber and musk. Wow, what a gorgeous combination of notes in here. Although it's not mentioned, I'm smelling some cinnamon definitely, but the cardamom in here and the saffron giving it again a depth of spiciness. But the spiciness overall, it is big, but it's not overly big. It's not taking over. It's playing its role very well in here. So the balancing act between these players and the notes and the accords and the ingredients are doing superb job in here. The blackcurrant giving it that tarty, fruity feel to it as well, which is beautiful. The blackcurrant in here is very tarty, so you need to like your tarty sweetness. So it's like a sweet sour, but mostly sweet rather than sour. And the rose in here, giving it a little bit of rosy feel, but overall, rose is not taking over. It's not like a rose bomb, okay? It's giving it that floral feel, yes. It's giving it a hint of rosiness, but the rose is not a huge player. It's basically, again, rather than a balancing act with other things. And that is a good thing about this fragrance, which is nothing is taking over. Everything is working in a balancing act, which is beautiful. Cedarwood, yes, I'm smelling a big cedar in here, plus sandalwood, which they're not mentioning. So that cedar sandalwood combination making it very woody. So from the get-go it was very woody, so you need to like your woody fragrances to enjoy this. Patchouli in here giving it depth, hint of chocolatiness, and also a hint of earthiness, but again it's not a dark player. No, it's not dark whatsoever. So the coloring is quite appropriate, because this one, to my nose, is semi-fresh fragrance. It's not a super fresh. The coloring suggests that it's a blue fragrance. It's not. This is a woody, spicy fragrance to my nose. I classify it as a semi-fresh, yes, but it's got some freshness to it. Yeah, you can use it in summer. It's got a depth and strength to it that you can use it in winter. So it's all year rounder. The patchouli in here is a middle of the road patchouli, so it's not a chocolatey, dark, earthy. Patchouli is not a bright, grassy, leafy patchouli. It's a middle of the road. It's giving it depth and complexity, but it's not taking over again. Beautiful balancing act in here, very high end perfumery, just beautiful. Again, amber, as I said, is both deep, dense and sticky, sweet amber, but in the same time it's very effervescent, it's very airy, and it's very transparent, which is, how do they manage that? I don't know. And the muskiness, yes, from the beginning, yeah, from the get-go there is a hint of muskiness in here, but the musk is very clean as well. Overall this fragrance is quite clean, semi-fresh I would say, but let's see the dry down, maybe it will change, I'm not sure, but in the next video I'll let you know the change, the longevity and things like that. But for now, for the first impression, is absolutely big, massive. It's filling the room, filling the house, filling the other side of the road. Is super. With the 3 sprays, that's it. I'm just you don't need more than that. Beautiful, very rounded, very smooth, very well blended, very well put together. The people who put this together, they have a very good knowledge of perfumery, because to my nose this is a perfection in a bottle. It just smells gorgeous. By the way, they send me this perfume for review, so for transparency reason I should say these things. They send it for review for me, but there is no sponsorship, there is no affiliated, there is no money exchange. Is everything you see in this video, everything you hear is all my opinion and is my take on this fragrance. So to summarize this perfume, opened up beautifully with fruity aspect, sweet fruitiness. The sweetness in here from 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest, is around 7 to 8, so it's very sweet, especially from the opening. But again, the sweetness not taking over, it's not sickening, it's not too much, it's not headache inducing, it's very well balanced with everything else in here. I'm smelling something like vanilla. Yeah, definitely there's a vanilla in the base, but the vanilla in here is very smooth and beautiful. So the rose is not a huge player, it's nuanced rather than big player. It's not taking over, it's not making it rosy at all, but there is a floral aspect to this perfume, definitely making it that floral aspect. The spices are massive, so I'm smelling cinnamon, I'm smelling saffron, and I'm smelling cardamom. The combination of these 3 making it very deep and spicy. It's layered with spices, but the good news is it's not taking over, it's not making it too much. Again, balancing act in this perfume is to perfection. The patchouli in here is not a dark kind of patchouli, it's quite bright, but it's middle of the road. It's not too bright, it's not too dark, just ample enough to making it deep and dense and thick, but it's not taking over again. Beautiful. The amber in here is quite sweet, it's quite resinous, it's quite sticky, which is mainly come from the vanilla in here, but in the same time it's very effervescent, it's very airy, and is very transparent, which is amazing for how they manage that. So if you like what I describe for the first impression, yes, I give it 2 thumbs up. Absolute gorgeousness, beautiful perfume. Wow, gorgeous. It's got a hint of camphorous and a hint of greenness to it as well, not too much. Probably is coming from the patchouli, which is making it a little bit leafy and grassy, hint of grassy and leafiness in here, not too much. Again, balancing act, working perfect to perfection. And also yeah, hint of camphousness, not too much. Again, little bit of leafiness, little bit of green, little bit of herbal feel to it overall. So overall, for the first impression, I give it 10 out of 10 for this beautiful perfume. $150 or £150. Yes, it is a little bit on the pricey side, but what I'm smelling and what I'm getting from this perfume is, you know, if you had a big name, it would have been £300-400 perfume easy. So for that, you're getting a superb value for money, superb perfumery, superb ingredients. Everything is high end. The presentation to match, look at this, it's just made for royalty. It's just beautiful on the eye, beautiful in the hand, very, very heavy bottle, very heavy box. The attention to detail is everywhere. So luxury to the max. As he says, this is a royal collection. It is absolutely true to the bone of this perfume in every aspect of it. So in terms of age, I would say this is 25 and up to be in the safe side, although the DNA of the perfume in here is very friendly. It's very almost universally liked, and almost there's nothing in here to offend anybody, but it's got a little bit of maturity to it because of that complexity of the spices in here. So I would say 25 and up to be in the safe side. In terms of gender, this is bang in the middle, unisex, as is targeted for unisex. Yes, 100% unisex to my nose. I cannot distinguish between ladies and men at all in here. And in terms of occasion, this is opulent, super opulent. So this is good for going out, special occasion, evening, formal occasion, wedding, parties. Something is very special because it's absolutely gorgeous. I cannot I don't have any more word to say. That's so gorgeous and beautiful this fragrance is. And in terms of the season, this is all year round. You can use it in summer, in winter, no problem. It's got some freshness to it. You can use it in summer. It's got some depth and complexity to it. Yeah, you can use it in winter. And the performance was at the moment is huge. It's a beast mode right now for the first impression. So if you like what I described, if you like it luxurious, if you like the highest ingredients you can get for a price, if you like a presentation of royalty and you feel very special, or the person who you're going to gift it to feels super special in your life, maybe it's a lover, maybe it's a mother, father, somebody who you love so much, that this is going to be a super gift. They will be more than happy to receive this. If I received this as a gift, I would have been super happy. So if me with the 600 perfumes I get excited about a perfume, imagine how good that perfume is. So guys, overall I give it 2 thumbs up. I give it 10 out of 10 of that beautiful opening for the perfumery. Absolutely highest end perfumery to ingredients, highest you can get for the price, and presentation to match, which is superbly gorgeous. You can look at it, I don't need to say anything. So if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. Although this is a new one, nobody else is having it. I think I'm the first to review it here. If you want to purchase one of my own perfumes, I'm a perfumer myself, I make my own line of perfumes. I leave them in the link as well. I'm the artist, I'm the perfumer, I'm the worker. So there are true handmade perfumes just for you lucky people in the United Kingdom. I put more than 60% perfume oils in my perfumes, which is unheard of, and that makes them big, bold, and very long lasting, unique, very artistic. And please don't forget to hit those buttons for supporting me, for keeping me in this endeavor. Keep coming back for more videos to show you fragrances, perfumes that nobody else is talking about. They need the limelight, they need the attention, they need the basically the mention, and you know what to do with them as an information. Okay guys, thank you very much as always for watching. Thank you for your support, thank you for your love, and I'll see you later. Bye.